right, so today, so I don't have my flywheel yet. So what I'm gonna try and do is modify this by chopping it out. So we're getting rid of those, and we're gonna go to a smaller tube. So this is the old stuff, and this is the new stuff. I'm just gonna be replacing the triangles, and I'm gonna go with a different design, hopefully to give me a little bit more room. So I'm pretty much gonna connect from here straight down, and we're gonna do a triangle from here over to here. So should be pretty simple. And I guess the main reason for that is I'm just trying to make as much room for me as possible for trying to get the turbo and the oil cooler and all that stuff in, because things are going to get relocated. I'm thinking I'm going to be putting the turbo somewhere down here, and we're going to run intake piping up to here. So I mean, that's kind of my plan. We'll see what happens. I'd like to try and keep it below this plane here, so that way I can put my louvers back on. So yeah, so I just got done chopping this all off, and I'm gonna hit it with the flap disc, get everything nice and smooth, and we'll be ready to go at it again. Yeah, so let's just get to this. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so I just cut a plate, reasonably warm. All right, so if we look here, you can see it's kind of like dented. I'm pretty sure that this tube, because I didn't plate it like I plated here, which was a mistake. So this was like me learning. So now what we're going to do is we're going to weld this plate on like so, and then we'll run a tube from here down to here. So let's go ahead and get this guy welded on, and then get this tube made. And then I will be doing a triangulation from there to here, or maybe mid pipe. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. I may not do it right away either. I'm just mostly trying to get this thing done. So let's go ahead and get that welded, get that thing. So let's do that. All right, there it is, fully welded on. Now to cut the tube. All right, HTP MiG 130 back at it again. Look at that shit. So yeah, this thing's looking baller. Got it pretty straight. So I'm thinking that's all I'm gonna do. We can do the rest once it's in, like once the cradle's in. If I do, I'm gonna do maybe like one from midway to here. So we'll see. It's still a lot sturdier. Triangles are always stronger, but this is, I'm trying to keep some space here. So yeah, we'll keep going. Next things to do is the other side, and that's gonna suck because this took forever. But yeah, let's get to that. All right, got this one out. Now I just got that flap disc. I'm not sure I'm gonna really dick with that one. I got a flap disc off this spot, and then we'll have to clean up that. But I'm gonna go ahead and plate this and get this thing done and welded up just like that side. So slowly but surely. That really sucked. My Sawzall blade is super dull now, so I had to chop this one out in like 50 different pieces with the grinder, and I only went through like 6 wheels or something. So yeah, thrill a minute. All right, guys, let's get that welded. All right, there it is. Got that plate welded in. Now we just need to cut the bar just like that and get that put in. So let's do that. Oh, there it is. Looks pretty good. So we'll figure out what I gotta do. I know I gotta clean up. I made a mess. All right, so got that done. That one's done, and I'm pretty sure I'm done for the day. So yeah, the main thing is I wanted to get these done. I do need to still grind this and this, but it's hot and I'm being lazy today. It's Monday, so, but I wanted to get this done because in the next couple of episodes. So it's Monday, and my flywheel should have shipped out today, so I'm hoping it'll be here at least by Friday or Saturday, preferably Friday. But when that gets here, I have to get I have to pretty much throw this all together, throw the transmission on, and then slide it underneath. We're gonna bleed the clutch. I still need to go get fittings for that. I had picked up this hose, which has a Thaline line on it, and then it also has this, I don't know if we can really see that, but the end is threaded. There we go. So this is threaded. Let's see. I believe that's the part number right there. And yeah. So that just goes right into there, and boom, done. So yeah, I'm gonna try and find that. We'll be good to go for that. And then we just gotta attach it to the brake line, and then we'll have to push it under and bleed it. And then as long as bleeding goes good, then we'll put the cradle in and button up everything, maybe get it back down on the ground, and then we'll start playing around with the other stuff. So yeah, that's kind of my plan. We'll see what actually happens. Yeah. Alright guys, that's all I got for this one. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.